Hello, my name is Alan Miguel Mercado Rodriguez, and I have the registry 21 310 004, and I'm here to talk about software quality at the process level. Let's begin from the beginning. What is quality? Well, quality means that you have something, and that something has to be well done. If it is well done, that means it has quality. Who defines this quality? Well, it can be the person who buys it, the client, even the person who creates it. Um, in the other hand, what is software? Well, software is a program. Like what program? Like any program. For example, uh, the apps you use in your smartphone, the video games you play, those are softwares. Now, joining these two concepts, what is software quality? Well, software quality means to create good programs. If we create good programs, we are saying that we have quality at the software. Now, what is software quality at the process level? Well, when you are creating something, it has in most of the cases has three stages. The first one is the beginning, the second one is the developing, and the third one is the delivery or the end. We have to assure the quality at the middle. So we have to assure quality at the developing process. If we assure quality at the developing process of a software, we can say that we are generating software quality at the process level. Is this important? Yes, and it's really, really important. Why? Because everything around us runs and works with software. The smartphones, the cars, the computers, the TV, even the wash machine. Everything has some kind of software nowadays. And well, what can we do to assure quality at the process level in a software project? Well, to do this, we have some models that we can apply to our projects. These models and guidelines have been created by professionals. These professionals have studied a lot of time and have tested these models a lot of times in a lot of ways. So they have this guarantee that they can help us to guarantee software. If we use these models, we can in our projects we can say that we are creating software with quality and we are using a process with quality. I hope this explanation has been simple and everything has been well said. Thanks for your attention and goodbye.